Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do the missions. So what you need to do first is tap the mission, and there are five options here. The daily mission that I already do. I already did this. For example, worldwide daily clear any stage for 3 times, and I get this reward. And clear any stage 3 times, I get the dragon stones. So please do this mission every day to get a small reward, but it's worth. And this is a normal mission that for beginner, just do this mission to get some item, and like this, get the bonus event and many more. There are some mission that I'm not done yet, and this is the event. So sometimes in this event mission you can get some good reward or high amount of reward. I've done some mission here. It's very satisfying to do this because the rewards that you can get is pretty high, like this total 80 reward if you do this challenge, and many more. So please check out the mission page if you are missing out some dragonstone or you need some dragonstone. Do that missions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As well, click the thanks button below. Enjoy the game.